So I couldn't stop trumping as soon as you started it. Alright dudes, morning, welcome to day 3. It might not be morning where you are, could be the evening. If it is, happy evening. Is that even such a thing, happy evening? I don't know. Now we're off to Animal Kingdom, gonna have a wicked day today. I had to buy the Disney Genie Plus because the parks are busy. Hollywood Studios was rammed. I'm starting to get it out, maybe that's because I'm waffling and I've got the old jibber jabber going on. I've got an habit of getting lost. Been here loads of times. I still get lost. Get lost at home. Hello, you jumping out right in front of me, Mr. Volvo? No, stay over there, Mr. Volvo. Alright, enough of that waffle, that's boring. You've caught up, we've said good morning. Alright, let's go Animal Kingdom, baby! Yes! Hands on steering wheel, Aid. I took about 4 wrong turnings to get here. It was 9 o'clock, I think I've got half an hour left on my lightning lane pass for Dinosaur, which is the first ride. Everything seems to work out and be all right, so don't stress. If you're coming on holiday, especially an over-planned, expensive Disney holiday, it's so easy to stress at every little thing that goes off that plan. A ride's closed, the wait was too long, you know, you're running late and you miss something. It's going to happen. As long as you don't crash on the way here, you're late. There's a bit of AIDS philosophy. Yeah, you can ignore all that. Whenever I'm bored, there's a ton of waffle. I've got no one to talk to, so it's just me and you guys. So I'm talking to you as if I'm talking to someone else, and I've spent the entire time. I'm not bored. I'll tell you something about a solo trip. Not bored, not yet, because I'm talking to you as if a real person was actually there, which is the way you're supposed to do it, I think, is actually look into the camera. What is it with all the vloggers that have the flip up, and you watch the vlogs, and they spend the whole time checking themselves out? You can see it when their eyes are like that and they're looking above the screen. They're looking above there and not at the camera. Up there, not at the camera. That annoys me. And the second thing is all the pouting. Looking in the screen and then checking themselves out. And then the third thing that annoys me is that when they go to edit this stuff, they can see that they're pouting and checking themselves out. They can see that they're not looking at the camera. And they leave it in anyway. At the back of my crazy. I do not know why, but it winds me up, you know. Water in, ignore my sweaty lip. Another march on. Sweaty again. I think I've gone the wrong way. Yeah, I was being a dib, getting lost again. Don't do queuing.
The Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong?
Here we go.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now let's go get that dino.
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Woo! That's brilliant. That's my favourite. I had so much food before I left the apartment this morning. I shakes you around all over the place. I couldn't stop trumping. As soon as you started it. Sat there going, as I'm rattling around everywhere. Going, but oh, well, at least all that bloatedness has gone. I need a wee-wees now. Must not wee-wees. That's definitely my favourite. All over the place. Woke me up though. No, I needed waking up. I feel like I've been in a washing machine. This bird keeps eyeing me up. She's all right. You know, bit of stuff. I love you, sexy bitch. Dip, 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 dip.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
How's that for a spin?
Right, I've got a fast pass for Lightning Lane. Keep doing that. Or Flight of Passage, so we better get going. Yeah, we're doing it. Oh, Everest, look. Got an interesting fact about Everest. Mount Everest and the Himalayas and Florida are on the same latitude. If you were to leave Florida and go in a straight line, you'd hit Mount Everest. Disclaimer. I make most stuff up. That might not be true. Wear one of these swimming t-shirts that dry out really quick because you sweat your nadges off. Animal Kingdom. That's where we're off. Let's get on the FOP. Right, rub it, and it's supposed to spit. Is it going to get anyone? Oh yeah, here we are. Cool. How awesome does this look? I don't think I noticed this last time. It was a few years ago we came here. I don't remember any of this. I'm sure it was here. Be aware, This pond contains animals that shoot powerful jets of water into the air and hunt small flying creatures. Sudden arm movements close to the pond may trigger this hunting response. You may get wet. Yeah, we'll have some of that. Come on in. Hello, wave. I'm waving away. No, it's not spraying anything on us. Am I doing it right? Sudden arm movements close to the pond may trigger it. What, down here? Is that it? Sort of leaning over. Nope. That looks like a long line for flight of passage. All these dudes. And it goes round there and up there and round there and all the way around there for about 3 hours. I'm not doing that. Nope. These all light up as bioluminescent green and blue and purple and what have you in the evening. I'll come back here in the evening. This is pretend algae. But in Florida, you could have just, in North Wales, you could have just left that alone for about 2 months and it'll all look like that. I've got sheds that look like that, I've decided. So it's time to go and dodge that 3 hour line and get onto flight of passage. Passage line that I don't want anything to do with. It goes miles back. And I walk straight in. So this is what your $11 plus tax buys you. It saves you between 2 and 4 hours. This is the kind of line that Amy likes. This is what I had at Rise. Just me. I'm not waiting in that.
Amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. Alright, you've all been matched with avatars.
To the Na'vi, connecting to an ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
that made the hairs on the back of my neck stand up. Avatar's my absolute favourite. That's brilliant. Where you leap off, and it just makes me want to be a giant blue person and have giant blue babies and live on Pandora. Like a 5-year-old, I was sucked into it all. And that's it. I want to be one of them. That convinced me of that. I just want to be flying around the sky, leaping around, running away from dragons. That's the best ride at Disney, without a doubt. That's my favourite. I've not been in it before. Let's have a look at this. These are the bits and pieces that they eat. There's nothing there, mate. Nothing there. There's nothing there. There's no such thing as a quiet park. All packed. Which ain't a problem for me. These are marmosets, aren't they? Little hairy monkey. Not that I've seen a non-hairy monkey. That definitely looks like something out of the Jungle Book. And that ladder there. Ooh. Never appreciate how cool that actually looks. I want to live there. I'd love to live in that. You could climb up to them too for something to do. You got this pond here, haven't you? Go paddling in. Nope, that's it. No longer want to be an avatar, I want to be a marmoset and I want to live on there. Never seen it this busy. Look at the switchbacks for the queue outside of Everest here. And this is heaving. I'm not waiting though. Heaving. Heaving. I wonder why I couldn't breathe. I'm still wearing that thing. That is a nightmare of a queue. That's 2 hours. There's 3 people in front of me. Yes! Come on. Found a seat. And then. Ooh, I love a crab sandwich. But it's packed. So it was a good job I bought something to eat, because without a reservation, which I haven't got, I didn't really fancy fast food. Bought this down, and then we've got Fast Pass for Kilimanjaro safaris and the Navi boat ride. So we're going to do the safari first, and then we'll loop around, do the Navi boat ride, come back into the middle, and then do It's Tough to Be a Bug. Then we've done everything, because the rapids is shut. Yeah, everything I wanted to do, that's done. And then when I come back the next time, we could do the shows and all that sort of stuff. It's hot. Excuse me, I wolfed that down. But my muffins, you know, those little muffins I said were really nice. They warm up. The blueberry and the banana and nut muffins, the little ones, they're really, the banana ones fit. This happened in my bag. This poor fella here, look at it. I'm still eating it, I'm not wasting anything. This is what happened to me muffin. I fell asleep during lunch and I got woken up by a cast member because I was snoring, dribbling on the table. That's a 90-minute wait for Kilimanjaro safaris, but we're going in here. We're walking straight to the front of it again.
Under all wheelchairs. Please have this person leave everyone.
Bongo is one from Greater Kudu as well. The bongo is known as the ghost of the forest because they're so rarely seen in the wild. Those horns on top of their heads, are very herbivores used to brush away the underbrush environment so they can swiftly travel through their ecosystem. On our right-hand side, you can see two of our okapi friends. Now, you may think that the okapi is related to the zebra, given those
Is he speed reading?
They're actually
Speed
related
reading.
to the giraffe.
So I can't understand a word he's saying.
They have long, prehensile tongues. They use that to grab leaves off of trees and small bushes.
Leaves and bushes.
Get it next that we associate with giraffes. Getting back to those kudu that we saw earlier, those were female greater kudu. The way we know this is males have horns roughly 6 feet in length, while greater kudu have no horns at all. They're also one of the tallest animal species. They stand around made for life. Something interesting about the saddle-billed stork. I'm going to be stopping for my friend here on the left-hand side. We're getting a great view of that black rhino. The black rhino is a solitary creature. They have no natural predator out in the wild, but they do have one we consider unnatural, however. Sadly, that is actually mankind.
What have I done wrong?
People feel it serves some sort of medicinal purpose. When in reality, those horns are actually made out of keratin. They're no different than our fingernails. We do support efforts to protect and preserve the black rhino.
Got the fingernail bit, but the rest of it.
They're dyeing those horns pink, and that renders them valueless.
What?
During these times, animals pierce the and then because of that, the baobab is one of the nicknames the tree of life. It also lets us know
He's speeding up.
The largest part of
He's
our
lost
tour
me.
today. Look at the nose. The nose of a Hartmann zebra is black. That means they are black with white stripes. Other zebra species have white noses.
I'm getting the odd about every third word, every fifth word.
The sable antelope are the official emblem of the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Something interesting about the sable antelope. They use those horns on top of their heads to defend themselves from predators as fierce as lions.
Lions.
They also travel between 500 to 1,000 miles during migration. That makes them the second largest migrating mammal, second only to mankind.
That's a massive horn.
You're also seeing these cattle, also known as the
He's so horny.
Named after the tribe that first domesticated them. Those horns on top of their heads, those are large. I believe there may be an animal in our road. I wasn't able to hear the call. I am going to be paying attention to the radio, so I'm going to go silent for just a little bit here. But once I have some updates, I will let you guys know.
Might be able to understand what he's saying now.
Not as good bark standing straight up in the air. That does serve a purpose. That drop's going to kickstart their heart and nervous system. That way they can run as soon as the Lion King.
He's sped up again. He's lost me again.
We'll perhaps see them as we come around the... Again, doing everything they can to avoid that wet weather. While those goats are very small, they're actually fully grown. Nigerian dwarf goats are very playful creatures, very social creatures, very curious creatures.
I'm not going out in that rain.
That does serve a purpose and helps them to develop. They also have both an alpha male and an alpha female. Relevant to even survive out in the wild. We can do our part to help our animal friends, and the easiest way to do that is to receive focus on recycling all the electronic devices rather than simply throwing them out. It helps cut down on the need to mine for that material.
I can't understand a word he's saying.
Giraffes also rarely sleep. A giraffe is only going to sleep 30 minutes in the entire day. They're going to do standing completely down with extra to protect themselves from predators. Those wings that they have, those are not used for flying. They're used for steering while running. Ostriches can hit top speeds of around 40 miles per hour. He is not used to being up around this time. The males, of course, have those luxurious manes, while the females have no manes at all. However, scientists did discover there's an old...
I thought I talked gibberish. It is absolutely booning down. The guy who was narrating the trip, I don't know what he was going on about. He was speaking so fast as if he was speed reading. Rhino. Giraffe. It was funny as hell. Nice fella. Just talking a lot of gobbledygook. It's tough to be a bug, and then we might do one. I can't do that, it's like wearing a bin bag. I'd rather be wet. I don't want to be faffing around and worrying. Oh, I got wet, look, I'm just rain. Tony Walker? He nearly run me over. What happens like when you're not looking where you're going and your head's down in your phone? The lady beast comes walking towards you, and then you go bouncing off me and end up on the floor looking up at me like that, as if I did something wrong. Dibs. Cannon! I'm not waiting 75 minutes, I wait 5. That rain's coming, so I'm going to be quick going back to the car. Had a brilliant time at Animal Kingdom. Right, I like saying right a lot, and the breathing sounds heavy. I'm like this. It's all good, like the ears. And thank you, Rachel, for making them. I had to take them off for most of the day, only because I got so sweaty. Right, there you go, there's another right. We'll have a right, don't we? What I'm going to do, leg it to the car to avoid this. But you know when you're wet and you got that stickiness. I had the stickiness. What rides did we get done today? Flight of Passage did that. 4-hour wait, walked on it. I've walked on everything. Flight of Passage, Navi, boat ride, Everest, Tough to Be a Bug, Safaris, Dinosaur. I don't think there was anything I didn't go on. Quick bit of speed marching back. Left, right, 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 left, left. Excuse me, I know I'm loud. If I ever possessed any sexiness, I definitely haven't got it now. I'm one big sweaty mess. Come on, directions. I don't want mail, do I? I want maps. Maps. Oh, let's go. Stop doing that. I've had a wicked day at Animal Kingdom. I absolutely loved it. Hey, Svenja! Kabika Baba! I've taken the wrong road. Through singing and mucking about, I've taken the wrong road. I want to be down that road there, over there. Damn it! Serves you right for doing the old Lion King song. Hey, Svenja! Kabika Baba! Oh, here it is. I knew it was coming. John Ketley was a weatherman, and so was Michael Fish. Oh, that is migging out there. Here comes your 3 o'clock Florida rain. Visibility's rubbish. Right, slow down, slow down, slow down. Well, this Muppet in front of us has got his indicator on, and there's no one there, mate. You can go. Come on! There's old Bill everywhere. There's a massive trade show thing going on in that field. Huge trade show. Huge! It's huge, I tell ya. I wonder if anybody enjoys my waffling while driving segments. We could do reflections of the day. It is reflections of the day. But I've never seen it as busy as it was in Animal Kingdom. ever. In 20 years of going, I've not seen it that bad. Without that Disney genie, everything would have been an hour. It would have been a miserable day. Whoa, big puddles. Have I got to go left? Oh, I'm in the wrong lane then if I want to go left. And it's green. So everyone stay there and let AD cross before we have a big accident. Right, cheers boys and girls. I didn't bother going back out to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. I was too tired. I come back, had a swim, had something to eat, fell asleep. I'm just watching a bit of Peep Show and packing for Tampa. Off to Busch Gardens. We're going to do all day dining and Quick Queue Unlimited. We're going to be there for 11 hours, so we're going to stay overnight in a hotel which is just opposite. There's also a second reason. On the way back, I'm going to stop in an antiques place which I think has got the posters from Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. It's in Lakeside, so I'm going there. Now I'm hoping that Saturday morning they're open and there's some Halloween Horror Night stuff in there, so I'm going to try and pick it up if we can. If not, we'll see what else is there, but we'll have an easy Saturday. But tomorrow is a monster day, so I'm going to get my head down. I'm charging everything, backing everything up, getting ready now, so we could be out of here first thing in the morning. All right, well, thanks for coming with us today. We smashed Animal Kingdom. That was a right laugh. What do we do? Pandora? Awesome. What else? We did everything. My brain's gone. I'm too tired. I've been taking tons and tons of pictures and small videos that I found quite funny or interesting throughout the day. They're all on Instagram at AD_Orlando. So join me on there and you'll be able to keep track of how I'm moving through the park, what I'm doing. I think I've only been here 2 days and I'm smashing it. I've done everything in Animal Kingdom, pretty much halfway through Magic Kingdom and did all the big stuff. I'll give you loads of hints and tips, but for tomorrow it's Busch Gardens and it's going to be a mega day. Last time I went there it was really funny, but I'm on my own this time. I've got no one telling me to be quiet, so we're going to have a right laugh. I've got to get up early to get down to Tampa, so that's enough from me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, thumbs up, all the YouTubery. Please, I'm trying to build the channel to really help, and I might do a giveaway of all the stuff I've bought on the trip if I can get my subscribers up to 500. I'm waffling, I'm knackered. Later, dudes.